Hi, welcome to the review here for our CFA. It's a common formative assessment. This is a major essential math concept. If you would like more practice here, I'll have a link in the description where you can get more practice on this. And we're going to dive in. There's 6 questions. The first one says, Devin had $249 in his bank account. He made 6 withdrawals of $38 each. Choose true or false for each statement. The change in Devin's balance is $228. Well, let's see. He made 6 withdrawals of $38 each. So that would be withdrawal means you take money out. So I'm going to zoom in here. 6 withdrawals of $38. So if you withdraw, you take money out. So that's a negative. And so I'd multiply 6 times 38. Well, let's see. 38 times 6 is 84. That's 22. That's $228. But it's supposed to be a negative negative $228. So see, the change is he didn't go up $228. He went down $228. So that would be a false or no. False or no, didn't happen. Let's see. The account balance is equal to this, so that 6 withdrawals of $38 each minus $249. Well, he had $249. So you wouldn't be subtracting that. It would be this would be false, because it would be negative 6 times 38. Okay, that part's okay, but you would have to add $249 to that because he had that much money. He didn't take that much more money out. And let's see, Devin now has a negative balance. Well, we need to actually do this math here. Now, 6 times 38, that's 228. So negative 228 plus 249. Well, first off, this number is smaller than this one. It's going to be a positive number, you see, because if it was negative 228 plus 228, that would be 0. But this plus even more than $228. So is it negative? No, it's positive. So this is false. Or no in my solutions that I have posted. So there you go. There's a 3. Let's do this next one here, zooming out. Jim stands on a dock that is 5.5 feet above the lake surface. He dives down 8.5 feet below the dock. What is Jim's vertical location relative to the lake surface? Well, I got some paper here, and he stands on a dock. So here's the dock, and we have some distance to the water, and it's 5.5 feet above the lake surface. So this is 5.5 feet, and he dives down 8.5 feet below the dock right here. So this distance is 8.5 feet. So the question then is, what is his location relative to the surface? So this right here, what is that location? Well, first off, it's below the surface. So in our answer, we know that it's going to be negative, first off. And we have to take 8.5 minus 5.5. Well, real quick, what's important to know, because I might show you a different version of this on the actual quiz, is 1/4 is equal to 0.25, because 1/4 is a quarter, and a quarter is 25 cents. A half is 0.5 as a decimal. I'm turning all these fractions into decimals. And then 3/4 is 3/4 or 75 cents. So what I would do is I would change both of these to decimals. This is 8.5 and this is 5.5. So my answer then would be 8.5 minus 5.5. Well, that's pretty easy. That's just 3. And so that's equal to 3. But remember, our answer has to be negative. So our answer is negative 3. So what was his location? It's negative 3 feet below the surface of the water. Feet. Okay, there you go. All right, next We have this one here where it says, Tammy built a 7th of a shed on Monday, a 9th of the shed on Tuesday, and she finished the shed on Wednesday. How much of the shed? How much of the shed did she build on Wednesday? Well, we have Monday, and we have Tuesday, and we have Wednesday. And I think I need to zoom in a little bit here. So we have Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. And when you add up all 3 days, that is the full job, which would be one full job. Well, on Monday, she did 1/7. And on Tuesday, she did 1/9. So I would have 1/7 plus 1/9 plus something equals 1. Okay, in my class, we added our fractions in a unique way. We had, you can add them any way you want. I had 1/7, 1/7, and 1/9. And then I multiplied all these. 1 times 1, 9 times 1, 1 times 7. 9 times 7 is 63. And then to add these, because we need to add these two up here, that would be 9 plus 7, which is 16 out of 63. So that's that sum. And then plus what? Plus what is equal to 1? Well, 1 is the same thing. If I have this 16 over 63 here, then 1, looking at that denominator, 1 is 63 out of 63. So what does the other one need to be if we have everything as a denominator with 63? Well, that ends up being 63 minus 16. So I'll do that over here, 63 minus 16. That's 7. This is 5 minus 1 is 4. So that would be 47. 47 over 63. This is our answer. 47/63 of the shed is what she built on Wednesday. Okay. Then we have the last one here, number 6. A website sells used comic books. Table shows how the price of Savage Tiger Volume 6 has changed over the last 4 months. If the price started at $6.86, what is the current price? Explain how you know the answer is reasonable. What I'm going to do is I'm going to put together what's being added. 6 cents plus 55 cents. That is 61 cents, I believe. 0.61. 11.61. And then here, what's being subtracted? 22 and 15. That would be altogether. I would add these up. 2 and 5 is 7, and that's 30. So a total of 37 cents is being going down in value, and 61 cents is going up in value. So what I'll do is I'll take that $6.86 there, $6.86, and I will add 61 cents to it because that's how much it went up total. And that is 7, 14. So now it's at a value of $7.47, but it also went down 37 cents. So I'll take off 37 cents, and that ends up being $7.10. This is the final value right there. What is the current price? The current price is $7.10. Explain how you know the answer is reasonable. Well, how could we just kind of eyeball this without doing all the calculations exactly? Well, maybe I may make this maybe just down 20 cents, just round numbers here. Maybe I could round that also to down 20 cents. And so for that, maybe it went down about a total of, down about a total of 40 cents. Okay. Now, how about these here? Maybe I might make that going up 60 cents instead of 61, just easy numbers. Maybe this is going up about 0.60 cents. Now, when I look at this here, the change, just estimating the change here, that means it's about going up about 20 cents. Okay. So just by eyeballing that there, about 20 cents, and 20 cents added to 686. So 6.86 plus 0.20 is 6017, about 76. Okay. So why would you do something like this? Because it's faster. And oftentimes in the real world, we're just trying to quickly in our heads try to figure out, well, what's a reasonable cost for this? Well, about $7, something like that. So explain how you know your answer is reasonable. If I estimate my answer, I get $7.06, which is close to the real answer of $7.10. Boom. I think that would be it right there. So hopefully this has been helpful for you, and I have more practice in the description, and good luck.